What makes strings complex then? It seems like a list of letters, numbers, and symbols would be a pretty simple data structure. What makes strings complex is us. Strings represent human alphabets and human languages, and the alphabet is surprisingly complex. Take, for example, something as simple as capital and lowercase letters. We pretty easily see that capital A and lowercase a are two characters for the same letter to be used in different contexts. We know that we would use a capital A if we're starting a sentence, starting someone's name, writing a book title, or some other situations, and in most other situations we would use the lowercase a. To the computer though, lowercase a and capital A are entirely different characters, as different as lowercase b and capital Q. You might have seen that before. If you declared a variable with one capitalization scheme in one place, like myInteger with a lowercase m, and then another in another place, like myInteger with a capital M, the computer saw those as entirely different variables. It has no understanding that lowercase m and capital M are the same character unless we build such understanding into it. This is where a lot of string complexity comes into play. We want to be able to manipulate strings based on the way we actually represent human language, even though the computer has little knowledge of human language. For example, if we want to sort things alphabetically, we probably want the computer to view capital A and lowercase a as equivalent characters. But on its own, it doesn't do so. This can lead to strings getting sorted with all the uppercase letters before any lowercase letters. Things like converting letters to uppercase or removing trailing spaces in some text make perfect sense to us, but they're arbitrary rules to the computer.